Good morning, it's Lisa with Lisa Heal Yourself, and today we're going to talk about how to make the best homemade and natural, best and most efficient cleaner that you can use for everything. You can use it in your shower, you can use it in your toilets, you can use it in your kitchens, in your sink. I usually get one of these empty bottles. You can get empty bottles anywhere, or you can recycle them. So you're going to fill with water. Next, you're going to get vinegar. It's just straight vinegar. You should have a bunch of these on hand. You should have at least 6 on hand at all times because you can use them in a pinch to disinfect almost anything. So we're gonna go ahead and put a funnel and fill so a third is water, a third is vinegar, and a third is going to be our lemon orange peel water. You can use, again, oranges and lemons for anything. When you make tea with your lemons, or when you make sauces or anything you're doing, if your children enjoy an orange, you're gonna peel them. Never throw out the peels, okay? Always keep the peels. What you're gonna do is you're going to put them in a mason jar, the peels in a mason jar. You're gonna fill it with boiling water, just like you would make a tea. You're gonna let it brew, you're gonna let it sit, cool down naturally on its own. You can leave it overnight if you want, or you can leave it up to 5-6 hours. Then again, you're gonna take a funnel and a strainer. I like to double it up because it's easier. And we're going to filter that water. It's in the funnel, it's going through the strainer. And there you have it. You're going to tighten the lid, wipe the bottle down. Then you're going to strain the rest. You're going to strain and funnel the rest, and you're going to continue to make the rest of your bottles. So it smells good. This spray is the best sanitizer, the best cleaner. It's fresh, it's natural. You can have it on hand, you can store it on hand. It's wonderful. And if you're ever doing anything like tiles or a toilet bowl that needs a little more grit, you can take one of your bottles and you can add some baking soda in here, shake it up, and it would be one that you would use to get in those really hard places with the toothbrushes and a little more whitening. Keep these on hand and never buy cleaner again. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it out, and stay tuned for the next one.